Welcome back to Paul and Benny. I'm Benny. Paul is not here today. He's at work, but I had the day off. What? So I am gonna walk you guys through what a day looks like when I'm not working. And luckily I have to prepare for a video today. I'm gonna actually do a bulgogi recipe. So I have to go get everything for that. And I also have to clean my house. Paul's gonna be so mad at me for showing all of this stuff in the background, but it's kind of blew up since Christmas, Thanksgiving, and we really haven't recovered. So today I'm gonna get into all of this. I did laundry this morning and I still have to put it away. I know. So I'm gonna hurry up and do this, get my studio and living room back in order, and then I have to go to the grocery store. Okay, so I pretty much finished cleaning. I just gotta do a little bit touch-ups, like rearrange some books and stuff, but I put away my Christmas wrapping table finally, and I finished all my laundry, which if you're like me, that stuff sits there until the next time to do laundry. So I got that done, got that out of the way. Living room is looking pretty good. I'll probably just sweep up really quick, rearrange some books or whatever. And then I need to review what ingredients I need for my video. Again, we're doing bulgogi, so I gotta figure out exactly what I need. There's like a couple different recipes I could do. So let me just finish this up really quick, and then I'm gonna make that list and then head out to the store. Everything's looking good. I got my cute new jacket on. But the first thing I need to do is create a shopping list. Okay, so the recipe that I wanna use is from Aaron and Claire. Check them out. No, that's totally incorrect. So the recipe I wanna use is the one from Korean Queen of Cooking, is Mong Chi. She is awesome. I've been watching her forever, but she did a really easy recipe, and I'm gonna go to the YouTubes and I'm gonna check out.
The Google app is the better way to search, and I can find it with a screenshot.
Ads. Number 2. So I'm going to Mong Chi's YouTube. I'm gonna click on the drop down and let's get this recipe. Okay, so the things we'll need is some sort of beef. She has beef tenderloin here, or sirloin steak. There's also brown sugar, which I'll probably use honey instead, which I have. Garlic, green onion, ground black pepper, lettuce, sesame seeds, soy sauce, samjang, and toasted sesame oil, and also a little bit of water. The only thing I don't have is the garlic and green onion, so I'll pick that up, but I really want to get the green onion, like the big giant Korean green onion, so I want to get those. I think I have soy sauce, but I might want to get a good soy sauce. So I think I'm gonna get soy sauce. I have sesame oil. So the only thing I really need is like a good beef. And if you haven't watched Mong Chi, you need to go check her out. Here she is right here. I'll put a link down in the description to her channel as well, but she does amazing recipes. One of the things I like that she does is she gives us alternatives, because obviously not everyone in America has access to like a Korean market near them, but if you can get it, that's awesome. But if not, she gives you like a good alternative. Oh, and another thing I need to get from the Korean market, actually I might need to go to the Chinese market, is some good rice. I love Three Ladies jasmine rice. It's so hard to find. I can never find like the big pack. I sometimes will find like the Three Ladies broken rice, which I also love, and Paul really likes that one, but the jasmine rice is so hard to find. I think I can only find it like way far away, probably about like 45 minutes west of here. I really don't want to drive that far, so I'm going to check the Chinese market to see if they have the Three Ladies on my way to the Korean market. They should have that. It's totally worth it to get the more expensive rice, because I've gotten the super cheap ones, like in the no brand bag or just whatever. Not as good. So definitely spend the extra money on good rice. But I need to add that to my list. All right, and with that, I'm ready to go. Let's get this list completed. So let's get home, make this delicious bulgogi recipe. I'm so excited for it. trying to get my jasmine rice, my Three Ladies brand jasmine rice. So I'm at AZ International Marketplace. Hopefully they have it, because I know Asiana doesn't have it. I might have to make one more stop just to get it, but hopefully I can get it here. Run in, get that, and then head over to Asiana. I'm super stoked. They had it at AZ International Marketplace, which is awesome and good to know. So I don't have to drive 45 minutes away to get it. Bam! Three Ladies rice. This is the extra super quality. I think the one I usually get isn't. It's just like super quality, not extra super. So I'm not sure, but it was a little pricey. This is Paul's favorite. Is the broken rice. So jasmine broken rice. So this is really good. It's literally broken rice. We always get this when we go to Vietnamese places. It's always nice to have a second rice alternative in the house. So I got what I needed, which is awesome. I was a little nervous they wouldn't have it, but I got it. So now let's head on to Asiana. So I'm here at H Mart to pick up QP mayo, some regular mustard for Paul, and then just kind of check out anything else that I need, because I kind of want to walk around and check it out. And then also I'll probably get some boba too. But this is my third stop of the day. It's a little rainy and it's getting a little bit much. I'm ready to be home and make that bulgogi. I'm home. OMG. All right, so I did that whole last finishing segment without the mic plugged in, and the quality of the sound was kind of bad. So I'm gonna redo it. It's part of my day. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm gonna reshoot that. It's like 9 minutes of me talking, and now I have to redo it all. But basically what I did is I went over what I got. I went to 3 different stores. I went to AZ International Marketplace, went to Asiana, and I went to H Mart. So I did that whole run around today, and I just want to go over what I finally got. At AZ International Marketplace, I found my favorite rice ever. Yes, I did the clap thing, but I found my Three Ladies jasmine rice. It was $8 for 5 pounds, and it's extra superior quality. So I don't know if I normally get the regular quality or not, but I feel like this is a little pricier than I normally buy. But either way, it is amazing. For the other times we don't want to treat ourselves, or we just want regular rice, we usually get the Three Ladies, again, jasmine broken rice. Now this stuff is delicious. Different texture. It's like a little bit more, I won't say fluffy, but it just cooks up differently than regular jasmine rice. And usually Vietnamese restaurants will serve this type of rice, which every time we go to a pho place, Paul loves getting a rice dish because they serve broken rice. So I picked that up. I also found, looks like these are Chinese Lays. They are numb and spicy hot pot flavor. Ooh. And then after that, I went over to Asiana. But there I got most of the vegetables. I got the green onion, potato, lettuce, ginger, garlic, shallots, onions, bananas I got from there. And I also got this. So I always really want to try this or just have it. This is pre-sliced beef ribeye meat. I know I don't need it because you can just slice it yourself, but I think it looks cool, and it'd be so nice just to marinate this. Like, you don't have to worry about it, it's already cut. But I thought I'd give it a try for bulgogi when we try it later on or have it next week. And lastly, I went to H Mart. I love H Mart, but I usually don't go because it is like a big giant to do. There's a lot in there. There's like 6 or 7 restaurants, bakery, tons of noodles, tons of snacks, tons of frozen stuff, a lot of American stuff, tons and tons of vegetables, like, and fruits. If you want like exotic fruit, you need to go there because it's crazy how much fruit they have. Tons of meat. Their seafood section's like really, really big. So this is like the big granddaddy of Asian markets. And the price is pretty competitive. It's pretty, I don't want to say cheap, but affordable. It's pretty affordable. But there I got meat, more meat. So this is the meat I'm going to use today. This is beef flank meat. It's a big chunk of it. It's about a pound, 1.13 pounds of meat. So I'm gonna slice that and use it for the bulgogi. And then I also got pre-marinated bulgogi. So normally I don't like pre-marinated meat just because it's just not a good marinade, or if it's like too much. I'm always nervous that they're like just trying to cover up old meat with marinade. I've had bad experiences at like American grocery stores where the meat is horrible and it's in the marinade. It's always in the marinade section. And then I also found dark soy sauce. I watch a ton of Chinese cooking shows and they always use dark soy sauce. Not sure if it's just for more flavor or just to use less of soy sauce. So I'm excited to try this. I definitely am going to be doing some more Asian dishes in the future. I didn't get boba. You know, it was just like really crowded there. It's holidays and everyone's out of work. And I just thought, you know what? I just want to go home and start cooking. Paul's home in about half an hour. So I need to start this dish, but I also need to start recording. Thank you guys so much for following me on my day today. We went to 3 different Asian markets. I picked up all the things I needed for my bulgogi video, which I'm recording right after this. I really appreciate it. I'm super grateful that you guys watch us. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like this type of video, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go on my next grocery run. I'm Benny. I'm super grateful for you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.